Today, we are making another bread recipe. This recipe is actually inspired by the question Anita Mills asked. So thank you, Anita. This bread is soft, it is moist, it smells good, and it's absolutely delicious. The entire pan contains only 16 grams of carbs. Let's get started. We'll need half a cup of coconut flour, 3 large eggs, 1 cup almond milk, and this could be the 30-calorie or the 60-calorie almond milk. I used the 60-calorie almond milk. We'll also need 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1/3 cup olive oil. Add all your dry and wet ingredients into a bowl and combine. Combine thoroughly until smooth. Spray a pan with avocado or olive oil and pour mixture into your pan. Microwave for 8 to 10 minutes depending on the power of your microwave. You could also bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes or until fully cooked depending on the power of your oven. Once it is fully cooked, the entire bottom would have air pockets or air bubbles and not the smooth texture the uncooked mixture had. Once it's out of the microwave, please let it cool. Don't be impatient like me. I was impatient and got the bread out before it was cool, so I ended up having a huge hole at the bottom of my bread. You can see the steam coming out of the bread as I'm cutting it. The hole, though, did not change the fact that it was still absolutely so delicious. Do note that the almond bread recipe that I shared on my channel has 8 grams of carbs for the entire pan. And this bread recipe, which is this coconut bread recipe, has 16 grams of carbs per the entire pan. The extra 8 grams of carbs is coming from the 1 cup of almond milk that I used. So, for instance, if you use a 30-calorie almond milk, you'll be looking at lesser grams of carbs for the entire pan. Would you look at that? See how soft and fluffy this bread is. I absolutely love eating it. Today marks the second day of our reduced blood sugar or reduced A1C challenge, and I'm so excited to see what the future holds for each and every one of us. Let's get on the community page to share and encourage each other. If you did enjoy this recipe, do give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember to be beautiful, be bold, be true to yourself and to others. Stay healthy and always be you.